honey, you are so strong.
Why, thank you, my dear.
Come on, Dad. You can do way better than that. Here, Dad. Try picking this up.
Hey guys, what you doing?
Assistant!
Oh, we're just practicing our powers. Okay, everyone, stand back. Got it.
Whoa, Mr. Incredible, how do you do that?
Oh, my turn. I want to show the assistant what I can do.
Whoa, Dash! You're so fast!
Oh, my turn next. Okay, assistant, stand still.
Whoa, Violet! This is so cool!
I think Jack might want to show you something, assistant.
Aw, Jack, aren't you so cute? Jack's very, interesting.
Yes, I know.
Amazing! You all are so talented and have incredible powers. I wish I had special powers.
You wish you had special powers, do ya? Well, I just may have an idea. Dad, where did Mom take the assistant?
I don't know, sweetheart. They should be back any.
Okay, so how do I look?
Wow, assistant, you look amazing.
Awesome.
Wow, assistant, you look really great. Yeah, assistant, you really look awesome. I'll go grab a mirror.
Whoa! I look awesome!
With this suit, you have the ability to make things small.
I do?
Just point and shoot. What? That's awesome. Let me go get some things for the assistant to shrink.
Okay. What? This is amazing! Alright!
Wow.
Okay, I'm on a roll. What's next? Oh yeah!
Assistant, no!
Oh no!
Oh no, assistant!
What am I gonna do, guys?
Don't worry, assistant. Just point at the mirror and see if you can hit yourself again.
It didn't work!
Oh no, her suit's so small, the beam isn't strong enough.
We have to figure out another plan.
Oh guys, I have an idea. What if I run around her really fast and see if she gets bigger? Oh sweetie, that's a creative idea. I just don't think it's gonna work. Oh please, Mom, let me try. Okay, sweetie. Did it work? No, it didn't, sweetheart. Guys, let me try. Maybe I can shoot her with a magic growing bubble. Sure, honey, it's worth a shot. Okay, assistant.
I'm still small.
Honey, let's try stretching her.
Wait, what?
Don't worry, assistant. In that suit, you can stretch fine, just like me. We'll be careful, we promise. Okay, honey, you grab one side and I'll grab the other.
Guys, you aren't hurting me, but this isn't working!
Honey, maybe Jack can zap her.
Wait, what?
Don't worry, assistant. Again, the suit will protect you.
Phew.
Okay, sweet baby boy, zap the assistant.
Am I back to normal?
No, I'm sorry, sweetheart. You're not.
Ugh, how will I ever get big again? What am I gonna do?
Assistant!
The rock! It's bigger! The shrinking power wears off!
Wait, does that mean? Yes! Phew, that was a close one. I think I'm fine with just being me without the powers. People at home, what was favorite part of this video. Bye! Assistant! Vampirina, thanks for inviting me to the fair. I'm so excited!
Me too, assistant. What should we do first?
Let's ride a ride together!
I wonder where we get tickets. Hi, girls. Oh, hi. 2 tickets to ride, please. Oh, aren't you so cute? I would give you 2 tickets to ride, but you girls are just too little. Oh no, assistant.
It's okay, V. We'll try another ride.
What's that? Go-karts. Let's go.
Assistant!
Hello. Oh, hi. You look a lot like the other. How can I help you girls?
2 tickets to ride, please.
Aren't y'all just so precious? Honeys, y'all can't ride the go-karts unless you have an adult with you. What?
Oh no, I wish we were bigger so we could ride all the rides.
Oh no, assistant. This isn't any fun.
No worries, V. Let's go get some snacks. I think they have free samples. Assistant! Hi!
Oh, hi, dear.
Hi!
How can I help you girls?
Okay, so we would like 2 free samples of ice cream.
Oh, of course, girls.
Yay!
As long as your parents say it's okay. Where are they? No. Hi, can we? No, we would like 2 tickets. Can we ride? Nope. I sure wish we were bigger, assistant.
Yeah, me too.
The very next day.
What a day yesterday. Well, today's a new day. Let's make it a great one. Brr, my feet are cold. Oh no. Now my arms are cold. Something is not quite right. I'm huge.
Assistant! What? I'm huge! Vampirina!
Oh, come on, assistant. Where are you? You're big.
Oh no, I think our wish came true.
I know, assistant. I agree, but what do we do now that we're big and we can pretty much do anything we want? The fair!
Assistant!
Assistant, let's do this. Would you like to play, please? You've got it. That was awesome.
2 tickets, please.
You got it. We'll take 2 free samples of ice cream. My pleasure.
This is so awesome.
May we? Yep, sure can. You betcha. Of course. Do you hear that? Go-karts! Assistant, that was amazing! Let's ride that slide! 2 tickets to ride, please. You got it.
I'm so excited.
Go, assistant, go!
I'm stuck.
Oh no, I'll help you, assistant. Whoa, assistant, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, but I guess we're too big for the slide. Let's go play on the seesaw.
Mommy, can I play on the seesaw? Of course you can, love.
I'll ride with you.
Whoa. Mommy, I want to ride with her. Can I? Sure, darling. Mommy, can I come down now? It's scary up here.
That was awkward.
It's okay, assistant. Let's ride the swings. Okay, this should be fun. Okay, what's the best way for me to, can I fit, maybe if I go in this way, I can...
Oh no, now we're too big for this.
Assistant, I sort of want to go back to my normal size.
Me too.
I really wish we were small again.
Yes, we're back to our normal size. Happy dance.
While the assistant finishes her happy dance, we really hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!
Hey there everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there! You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch! Bye!